Oh no. Hi guys! Today we are playing Slap X Tower and this server is literally the most chaotic server. And wait. Okay, so we're back here and this server is very chaotic and a lot of trolling. And of course this guy is gonna press the button. See? So Ram. So this girl is trying to, like boba tea. See, I got it. This is my first video in ages now. Please don't. Please, bro. Please, bro. Please. Ram, ako yan. Don't troll me. Thank you. Titingnan ko kung may mga bacon na mag... Tanan. Me and my brother are here trolling for the first time. I mean, not for the first time. Nag-wall hop siya. Tingnan ko. Wag mo muna, Ram. How can I help you? Bro, they're so trolly. Oh my god. See? It's so easy to just do that. They like Wi-Fi glitch. They'll glitch over there. Oh, this guy feels like... Come on, I'm not gonna troll in the... You're my enemy. Ram, wag ka magto-troll. Wag, Ram, wag. Yung mga bad lang sa atin yung to-troll. Ram, ba't tinroll mo siya? Wala na, yan tuloy. May nagto-troll sa atin. Oh, inislap mo ko, Ram. Bro, wag mo kasi mag-troll, yan tuloy. Nagbibilan RC na sila. Wag ka na mag-troll, kahit sino, wag mo na. Because of that, bro. Because of that. Okay lang yan. She did it late, bro. She did it late. Gizmo. Oo, alam ko. Arcilla. Wala na akong to-troll. Bro, don't you dare, bro. Don't you dare, bro. Don't you dare, bro.